So it was your introduction. That's the great. Now again, I would like to you ask some question because I have more and I have a lot of question for you.
Yes,
Clear?
sir. Yes.
Clear. Nice. Again, I have already asked about the India, about you, about your institute, about your teachers, about your daily routines, and about your yesterday routine. What's your? So this is already I have asked to you. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. Now, so one thing I would like to you about your village. Why I'm asking to you about your village? Because village is a very good places. Because we live in village. You know that already.
Yes.
So I come from village and also you come from
Village.
village. Now I will ask to you what is the differences cities and village. So just then you will have to explain about your village.
Thanks for asking to you, sir. First of all, my village name is Morve, and I live at Morve. My village is good and small. My village is small and beautiful village. There are many people live my village, and there are many well temple and schools available in my village.
In your village there is no pollution.
No, sir.
There is no pollution. So that's the advantage. There is no pollution. Okay. In your village there is a school or not?
Yes, sir.
Schools. There is a schools. That's the great advantage. There is a B.Ed college.
Yes,
So this is the advantage. So all the peoples they talk to each other very politely or not?
Politely.
Politely talk to each other. This is the advantage of your village. You have spoken already. There are many pumps, hand pumps, and in your village there is electricity or not?
Yes, sir. There is electricity.
So this is the advantage. And there is any problems about your village, like there is no roads?
There is road, sir.
Roads, there is roads. There is electricity.
Yes, sir.
Wood, and there is many things are available in your village.
Yes, sir.
Very good. There is a good environment or not bad?
There is good environment.
There is good environment.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is the about your village. If I talk about my village, so what you will speak? So thanks for asking to me, sir. First of all, my village name is like this, and village is very good village. So there are many things are available. There is many facility. There is no pollution. There is many peoples. They talk to each other very politely, and there is no crowd.
Yes, sir.
There is a wall. There is a river. Okay, nearby your village there is a river.
Yes, sir. There is.
It's okay. That's the great. It's okay, Sony. Use everyday mobile phone or not?
Yes, sir. I use every day with mobile.
You use everyday mobile phone?
Yes, sir.
So that's the great. Now I would like to you, please, what is mobile phone? So please explain it briefly. Now take this.
This is a mobile phone, and it's a good quality and a good mobile phone. It's a expensive mobile phone, and its price 30,000 rupees, and its name Vivo, and its cover color gray, and one front camera, and it's a finger key, and there are two volume. First one is upper volume, and second one is lower volume. There is a charger point and mic and speaker. I use every day use mobile phone at free time, and if I have a doubt, then I search on YouTube and Google. It's a very important our life. It's a excess usage for your harmful your life. So suggest you.
Okay. So it was your introduction. It was your introduction. I think, Sony, it was your introduction. It was not good. It was not very good, but it's a moderate. So I suggest to you, you should practice every day more and more times. What I teach you and what I give you every day. So please remind in your mind, and please use my word. Use my word. every day, because without practicing you can't speak English language very confidently in front of the people, in front of the camera, because you know that it's a language. So language, then you will have to try it, you will have to speak more and more times. Without speaking you can't speak very well. Whatever you want to speak in that time, then you will have to try, you will have to speak more and more times, a lot of times. Without speaking you can't speak in English language. Without practicing you can't speak English language, and you can't do anything without practicing. So that's why you should practice a lot of time. I suggest you every day. Clear or not clear? And everybody also, I suggest to you, if you want to speak English language, if you want to learn English language very confidently, so then you will have to practice, you will have to hard work, then you will have to try to understanding. If you try to do something and then you will do anything, otherwise never, you can't do anything in your life. What you want to become in your life, and just try to do something every day. Clear or not clear? Clear, very good. Okay Sunny, now I'm going to ask some sentences, then you will have to translate. Now take this. मुझे जाना है,
I have to go.
मुझे नहीं जाना है,
I have not to go.
I have not to go. अच्छा, मैं आपसे बात करूंगा,
I will talk to you.
मैं आपसे बात नहीं करूंगा,
I will not talk.
मेरी माँ खाना बनाएगी,
My mother will cook food.
माय मदर विल, मैं मोबाइल चलाती हूँ,
I use mobile phone.
मैं मोबाइल नहीं चलाती हूँ।
I don't use
क्या आप
mobile phone.
मोबाइल चलाते हो?
Do you use mobile
हाँ
phone?
मैं चलाता हूँ।
Yes, I use
मैं नहीं
mobile
चलाता
phone.
हूँ।
I don't
आपका
use
नाम
mobile
क्या
phone.
है?
What is your name?
आप कहाँ से हैं?
Where are you
मैं
from?
इंडिया से हूँ।
I am from India.
मैं इंडिया से नहीं हूँ।
I am not
आप मुझे
from
जानते
India.
हो?
Do you know?
हाँ मैं जानता हूँ।
Yes, I know.
मैं नहीं जानता हूँ।
I don't
हे
know.
भगवान,
Oh God.
ये क्या हो गया?
What happened to
ये
you?
आपके लिए अच्छी बात नहीं है।
It's not good of
मेरा
you.
हाथ छोड़िए।
Please leave me my hand.
मैं आपका हाथ नहीं छोड़ूंगा।
I will not leave your hand.
अगर मेरा हाथ नहीं छोड़ते
If you don't leave my hand,
तो मैं आपको जान से मार दूंगा।
then I kill you.
मैं भगवान के लिए मेरा हाथ छोड़िए।
Please leave me my hand for the sake of
मैं
God.
आपका हाथ नहीं छोड़ूंगा।
I will not leave your hand.
बाहर जाइए।
Go away.
गो आउटसाइड रे,
Go outside.
बाहर जाइए,
Go outside.
अंदर आइए,
Come in.
बैठ जाइए,
Sit down.
बोलिए,
Speak.
कहिए,
Say.
नाचिए,
Dance.
चलिए नाचते हैं,
Let's go
चलिए
dance.
मौज मस्ती करते हैं,
Let's go applaud.
बोलने से बोलना आता है,
Speaking comes
नाचने
by
से
speaking.
नाचना आता है।
Dancing comes by
आपको
dancing.
नाचनी चाहिए,
You should dance.
आपको नहीं नाचनी चाहिए।
You should not
क्या
dance.
आपको नाचनी चाहिए?
Should you dance?
हाँ मुझे नाचनी चाहिए।
Yes, I
मैं
should
कर
dance.
सकता हूँ।
I can
मैं
do
नहीं
it.
कर सकता।
I can't
मेरे
do
बस
this.
की बात नहीं है।
I can't
आप
repeat
कर
it.
सकते हो।
You can do
मेरे
it.
पास एक कलम है,
I have a pen.
मेरे पास एक कलम, सॉरी मेरे पास एक मोबाइल है,
I have a mobile
मेरे
phone.
पास मोबाइल नहीं है।
I have not mobile
क्या आपके
phone.
पास एक मोबाइल है?
Have you mobile phone?
हाँ मेरे पास एक मोबाइल
Yes, I have a
मेरे
mobile
पास एक
phone.
मोबाइल था।
I had a mobile phone.
मैं एक मोबाइल खरीदूंगा।
I will purchase my
आपको
mobile
एक
phone.
मोबाइल खरीदना होगा।
I will have to
आपको
purchase.
ये मोबाइल एक खरीदना होगा।
You will have to purchase a mobile
हाँ,
phone.
यू विल हैव टू परचेज अ
Mobile
मोबाइल फोन। है जाना है,
We have to go.
हमें लाइट आ गई,
Light has come.
चली गई।
Light
यहाँ
has
पे
gone.
क्या है?
What is there?
कुछ भी नहीं है।
There is nothing.
अंधेरा है।
There is
अंधेरा
darkness.
नहीं है।
There is no darkness.
यहाँ पे भूत है।
There is ghost.
सर पढ़ा रहे हैं, सर
Sir teaching me.
सर पढ़ा चुके हैं।
Sir taught me.
सर इज टीचिंग मी, सर हैज टॉट मी।
Sir has.
सर पढ़ा चुके हैं,
Sir has taught me.
सर पढ़ा रहे हैं,
Sir teach me.
सर
Sir
आ
is
चुके
teaching me.
हैं,
Sir.
सर आ
Sir has come.
सर हैज कम, सर पढ़ा रहे हैं,
Sir teaching
सर
me.
बोर्ड को साफ कर रहे हैं,
Sir is
सर ने बोर्ड को साफ कर लिया।
Sir has cleaned the
आप
board.
मुझसे बात मत करो।
You don't talk to me.
हाँ ज़्यादा मत बोलो।
Don't speak too much.
डोंट स्पीक टू मच, ज़्यादा मत बोलो।
Don't speak too
वहाँ
much.
मत जाओ,
Don't go there.
ज़्यादा भाव मत खाओ।
Don't procrastinate. You can say don't put off something.
पुट अप समथिंग, ओके। ज़्यादा पानी मत पियो।
Don't drink water too much.
डोंट ड्रिंक वाटर।
Too much.
हाँ ठीक है, मेरी बात सुनो,
Listen to me.
मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ।
What I am
फोन
speaking.
बज रहा है,
Phone is ringing.
फोन बज चुका है।
Phone has ringing.
किसका फोन है?
Whose phone is this?
मेरा है।
It's mine.
मेरा नहीं है।
It's not
राम
mine.
का है।
It's belong to Ram.
हाँ, यह कौन है?
Who is he?
यह एक लड़की है,
She is a girl.
यह एक लड़की नहीं है।
She is not a
तुम
girl.
किसकी बहन हो?
Whose sister are you?
हाँ, मैं राम का बहन हूँ।
I am Ram's sisters.
आई एम राम्स
Sister.
सिस्टर्स, मैं राम की बहन हूँ।
I am Ram's sisters.
तुम किसका भाई हो?
Whose brother are you?
यह एक गाय है।
She is a cow.
दिस इज अ,
This is a cow.
गाय दूध देती है।
Cow gives milk. Cow gives milk.
हाँ, काउ गिव्स
Milk.
गाय घास, मतलब घास खाती है।
Cow eats grass.
हाँ, काउ इट्स ग्रासेस, काउ इट्स
Grass.
ग्रासेस या ग्रास कहेंगे। क्लियर नॉट क्लियर?
Clear, sir?
सब बैठ जाइए,
Sit down.
बोलिए,
Speak.
थोड़ा सब्र करिए,
Just for a moment.
पेशेंस रखिए,
Have a
मुझे
patience.
पूछने दीजिए,
Let me
क्या मैं
ask.
अंदर आ सकता हूँ,
May I
क्या
come
मैं
in?
बैठ सकता हूँ,
May I sit down?
बैठने से बैठना आता है,
Sitting comes from
बैठना
sitting.
बहुत जरूरी है,
It's a
पंखा
must.
चालू है,
Fan is on.
पंखा बंद है,
Fan is
मोबाइल
off.
चालू है,
Phone is
मोबाइल
ringing.
बंद है,
Phone is off.
सर बैठे हुए हैं,
Sir is sitting.
सर खड़े हुए हैं,
Sir is
मैं
standing.
बैठी हुई हूँ,
I am sitting.
नीचे बैठ जाइए, खड़े हो
Sit
जाइए,
down. Stand up.
खड़े हो जाइए,
Stand up.
बोलिए,
Speak.
नाचिए, सही से बैठिए, नाचिए,
Dance.
जाइए,
Go.
बोलिए,
Speak.
जोर से बोलिए,
Speak loudly.
और जोर से बोलिए,
Speak
बोलते
loudly more.
रहिए,
Keep speaking.
बोलना जरूरी है,
It's a must.
जाना जरूरी है,
It's a
जाते
must.
रहिए,
Keep going.
नाचते रहिए,
Keep
मैं
dancing.
रेलवे स्टेशन पे हूँ,
I am at the railway station.
मैं बस में हूँ,
I am on the bus.
मैं ट्रेन में हूँ,
I am on the train.
अच्छा मैं एयरपोर्ट पे हूँ,
I am at the I am at the airport.
ओके मैं बस स्टैंड में रहती हूँ,
I live at a bus stand.
अब मैं रेलवे स्टेशन पे रहती हूँ,
I live at railway station.
अच्छा मैं कार चला रही हूँ,
I am driving car.
मैं साइकिल चला रही हूँ,
I am riding a cycle.
मैं बाइक चला रही हूँ,
I am riding a bike.
मैं वीडियो को शूट कर रही हूँ,
I am shooting a video.
वीडियो ठीक, मैं वीडियो देखती हूँ,
I watch
मैं
video.
आपकी वीडियो देखता हूँ,
I watch
मैं आपकी वीडियो नहीं देखता हूँ,
I don't watch
ये
your
आपके लिए
video.
अच्छी बात नहीं है,
It's not good of
मैं आपकी
you.
ये बेहूदगी बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता
I
हूँ,
can't take this anymore.
हाँ ये आई कैन टेक दिस, ये
Anymore.
मेरी चुटकियों का खेला है,
It's a piece of
ये
cake.
मेरे लिए आसान है,
It's a
हिंदी
easy.
बोलना आसान है,
It's easy to speak English.
खोटा बोलना आसान है,
It's easy to
हिंदी बोलना आसान है,
It's easy to speak
इसे क्या
English.
कहेंगे,
What is it called?
इसे मोबाइल फोन कहेंगे,
It is called mobile
इसे मोबाइल फोन नहीं कहेंगे,
It is not called mobile
किसका
phone.
मोबाइल फोन है,
Which phone is?
मेरी है,
It's mine.
मेरी नहीं है,
It's not mine.
कितने रुपये इसका दाम है ना,
Sorry. What is the right price?
कितने रुपये इसका दाम है,
What is the right
100
price?
रुपया है,
It's 100 rupees.
ये लीजिए 100 रुपया,
Take this 100.
मुझे दीजिए 100 रुपया,
Give me
क्या
100
करोगे 100 रुपया का,
What you will do
सर,
100
मैं खर्च
rupees?
करूंगा,
I spend money.
मैं खर्च नहीं करूंगा,
I don't spend money.
हाँ आपको खर्च करनी चाहिए,
You should spend
आप
money.
कर सकते हो, यू कैन डू
You can do it.
आप जा सकते हो,
You can go.
आप एक पत्र लिख सकते हो,
You can write a
क्या आप
letter.
एक पत्र लिख सकते हो,
Can you write a letter?
हाँ मैं लिख सकता हूँ,
Yes, I can write a
मैं नहीं
letter.
लिख सकता हूँ,
I can't
मेरे
write a
बस की बात नहीं
letter.
है,
I can't help it.
आई कांट हेल्प
It.
अच्छा यू टॉक टू, मैं आपसे बात करना चाहूँगा तो
I would like to talk to you.
आज संडे है,
It is Sunday.
नहीं है,
It is not
मंडे
Sunday.
है,
It is Monday.
मंडे नहीं है,
It is not
आज
Monday.
कौन सा तारीख है,
What date is it today?
आज संडे है,
It is Sunday
आज
today.
कौन सी दिन है,
What day is it today?
आज मंगलवार है,
It is Tuesday today.
आज मंगलवार नहीं है,
It is not today today.
इट इज नॉट
Tuesday today.
ट्यूसडे टुडे, ताली बजाइए,
Please clapping.
हाथ मिलाइए,
Please take your
गले
hand.
मिलिए,
Please hug.
आपसे मिलकर के अच्छा लगा,
Nice to meet you.
आप इतना दिन कहाँ थे,
Where were you all the
आप अपने
days?
घर में क्या कर रहे थे,
What were you doing at your home?
आप घर में क्या कर रहे थे,
What were you doing
आप
at your
इतना
home?
दिन कहाँ थे,
Where were you all the days?
मैं अपने घर में था,
I was at my
आप क्या
home.
कर रही थी अपने घर में,
Where were you?
What
What were you doing at your home?
What were you doing?
At your
मुझे
home.
माफ कर देना सर,
Please forgive me, sir.
आज मैं अंग्रेजी प्रैक्टिस करूंगी,
I will practice for English language.
इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज, मैं अंग्रेजी की अध्ययन करूंगी,
I study English language.
आई स्टडी,
English language.
मैं अंग्रेजी बोलूंगी रोज,
I will speak English language.
हाँ आज के बाद मैं गलतियाँ नहीं करूंगी,
I will not make mistake
मुझे
again.
माफ कर देना,
Please forgive me.
मैं रोज प्रैक्टिस करूंगी,
I will practice every day.
और मैं प्रैक्टिस करती हूँ सर,
I practice every day.
लेकिन कभी कभी मैं भूल जाती हूँ,
But sometimes I forget it.
हाँ बट समटाइम्स आई फॉरगेट इट, आई फॉरगेट,
It.
कसम खाती हूँ
I swear
कि
that
मैं कसम खाती हूँ कि आज के बाद मैं अंग्रेजी की अध्ययन करूंगी,
I will
फ्रॉम टुडे,
I will practice every day at my home.
Okay, Shoni, thanks for it was your interview, so that's the great. It's okay, nobody, it's okay, no problem. So hi everybody, you know that already her name is Sonia, and Sony speaks very well English language. You know that in this time she's trying to speak an English language very good or very confidently. So I think one day she will be speak English language very confidently in front of the people, in front of you. So next time when she will come in front of you, then her English language will be improved. Definitely when she will come in front of you again, that times you can watch her video, that her English language, it will be very good. So that's the great. Thanks for watching my video. So if you are new subscriber, if you are new watchers, if you are new students, so please like video and share this video and watch the video till the end, and please comment in the comments box. So what's your opinions about this video, what's your thoughts about this video? So please write the thoughts in your comment box. Thanks for watching video. Next time we will talk about anything